lived in a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. Money liked only a few vegetables, potatoes, and lady's fingers were the two that he liked very much. One day, when Amma served potato curries, I don't want to eat potatoes today because they are foreign vegetables. No, they are not, Amma. Brought them from the vegetable shop near the bus stop. Appa, Selvi is too small to understand that potatoes are not from India. So what? Our teacher told us that we should buy and eat locally grown food. She also told us to use things made in our country. What else did your teacher tell you? Then you cannot eat popcorn the next time we go to watch the movie. And you cannot order tomato soup either or even pineapple juice also. Money, then you cannot order anything. Why? Why cannot I eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to? Don't you know that corn, tomatoes, and even ladies' fingers all came from other countries? Really? How did they come to our country, Amma? Did they get on an aeroplane and come here? No, no. Some merchants brought them here long ago by sea. Why did they bring vegetables to India? Amma Appa laughed. They, they could have brought some sweets. Why did not they? People came to India in search of spices, especially black pepper. A man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala. Imagine the joy of sailors when they reached Kozhikode and found black pepper. They took a lot of black pepper to their country. They took spices from India. Yes, but who brought the vegetables into India? The Portuguese brought them to India. Potatoes was one of those vegetables. Wow, this potatoes has traveled so far. Carefully, Selvi, don't upset our foreign visitors. Selvi pulled a long green chilli out of the curry. Who is our foreign visitors? Amma, you are making fun of me. No, Amma is not making fun. She is talking about the foreign fruit chili. Chilies were very popular in some America, but no one else in the world knew of this spicy fruit. One day, a sailor named Christopher Columbus sailed to South America. This sailor was actually looking for India. He wanted to buy black pepper. Instead, he found South America and the chili. How sad for Columbus. It was. It was a little sad, but because he went to South America, he found the chili. It was as spicy as a black pepper, and so Christopher Columbus packed the chili and took it back to his country with him. But how did he come here? Chili can one of the things that the Portuguese brought to India. In India, chilies was first brought into Goa and the people they learn to use this new spicy in their cooking. Before the entry of the chilies, pepper was used in cooking. And how you make our food delicious? What a long distance you have traveled. They shouted and quickly took a bite of the chili. To waste you would be very bad, and so we are going to eat you. Ah, it's hot and spicy. Are you clear, children? Or you understand this lesson? Dear children, I hope you all are understood this lesson. Very interesting. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.